gonna unbox my ukulele. Ukulele. It's my first time to have a ukulele. So let's open it. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited what it looks like.
Yeah, Michael, you're all for now.
It's hard to open. Oh, it's in here. This way. Ah, finally I found it. Here. Oh my gosh. Ukulele. This is the strap. And the ukulele is in here.
Point it at that.
I wish there's a tuner. If there's no tuner inside, and then we need to buy a tuner. Because I cannot play without tuner. Oh my gosh, it's so tiny. Babe, it's so tiny, babe. Oh my goodness, babe, it looks like a toy. It's so tiny. Oh my gosh, it's so tiny. Oh my gosh, I don't have a tuner, babe. You need to buy a tuner.
Especially for that?
Yeah, only strap. We need to buy a tuner. I cannot play this without a tuner. Because I don't know how to tune the ukulele. Let's see. Oh my gosh, my ukulele. Wow! My ukulele, wow! It's so cute! Oh my gosh, it's so tiny! Oh my gosh, it looks like a toy! Babe, this is really...
Dyann, this one's yours.
Oh my gosh, it's...
Dyann, don't scream.
Oh my gosh, it's so tiny! Oh my gosh, my... It's guitar! He took my ukulele! Oh, can I get the ukulele, Michael? Babe, Michael, I'm gonna fix the ukulele. It's really a nylon.
Oh, then it bumps into a... Oh no!
Guitar daw niya, guitar. Oh my gosh, it's so tiny. Oh my goodness. It's so small. It's like just like this.
Tell Dyann to give it to you. Dyann, give it to him.
Just like this, so tiny.
Give it to him.
This is the ukulele. It's so
Give it to him. I got
tiny.
yours here. Daddy gotta put batteries.
Oh my gosh, we need to buy a tuner.
Control it.
Oh my gosh,
Dyann,
it's so
yeah, okay,
cute.
go play with it over
I'm gonna
there.
put the strap.
Dyann, this is yours. I'm gonna put batteries in here. Look at yours.
I got pick already, but they got a strap. I need a tuner. Babe, we need to buy a tuner, okay? Babe, tuner, okay? Because I cannot play with this without a tuner because I really don't know how to play
Twice.
so I'm gonna put the strap.
Oh, wow. No.
Oh my gosh, it's so tiny. Wait, anak, it's so tiny. It's really, really tiny. Is this really so tiny?
Go play with it over there. Play with it over there.
Guitar.
A guitar? This is ukulele. Oh, sit down. You wanna play with the guitar? Sit down. Play the guitar.
Oh no! Monster truck.
Monster truck, are you playing?
You done?
Right.
My ukulele.
Right.
Drive? Yeah, you can drive it.
Yes, it's new.
This is my ukulele. It's my first time to have a ukulele. It's so tiny, promise. Oh my gosh, it's so different from the guitar, the size. And it's 4 strings, and it's so cute. It's a toy.
Here, over here, Mike. Over here. Over here.
No.
There you go, buddy. All done. Yep. That's good for you. It's stuck, buddy. Here. It's stuck. So let it go play over here. Drive it. All right, Daddy, you gonna get his time. You can play with it.
Ukulele.
Strange it. Look, watch. Forward, backward. Left. Right. See? See, look. Forward, backwards, left, right. See? Left, right, forward, backward. Left, right, left, right. See? Left, right. Forward, backward, forward. That's how you use it. Okay?
Wait, combine.
Now go play the combine.
Combine. Combine.
Green. Yours or mine, Rick?
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너. 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고